Whoa, check it out. Oh my goodness. We just dropped off Crunch Mom at her dentist appointment.
Okay, come.
And it's at Huntington Beach. So we came across the street because there's a park here. Yeah. And we're gonna go play around in the park.
Yay!
What do you guys want to do?
Pizza.
Swing?
Yeah.
Kai, what do you want to do?
Swing.
Swing. All right, guys, so we're gonna head over. We're gonna play at the park until she's all done. And then we're probably gonna go grocery shopping today. But today, what we're gonna do is our typical what we do in a day. This is kind of what we do. If we have appointments to something, then we try to make sure that the kids are doing something, or we take them to the park or something like that. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go hang out at the park for a little bit. We're gonna go grocery shopping, and then we're gonna cook food and make a video. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. There's duckies. Yeah, hi duckies. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. They're resting. You see the duckies though? Hi duckies.
Hi, Ducky.
We gotta go to the bridge. Let's go to the bridge.
Where is the bridge?
Over here.
Maybe we just see something go like.
You did? Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe we should cross and go to the other side. She's so fast. Whoa, where's she going?
Oh no.
Where's she going? Oh no, don't go that way. Come over here.
Oh no.
Come over this way.
Oh, the side ducks ran away.
Oh yeah, there's more duckies. Okay, let's go catch them. Why is it that kids always do that? Why is it I mean, some adults do it too, but why do kids follow and run after birds like this? It's like second nature to them, or it's just natural to do it.
I think they're thinking we have food.
Maybe. How are you? Tell the camera. Oh, okay, and then?
Macho.
Oh. And then?
Machamp.
What does he do?
Dynamic Pud.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. That's all he does is talk about Pokemon. Oh, Kaya. He says Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon.
Look, see?
Uh-huh.
Champ.
Okay. Oh yeah, he's got 4 arms. You're right.
Ah!
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's go down the slide. You guys can go together. Go together. Kaya, too, go. And you can hold hands. Okay, there you go. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll come behind you. Let's go. You guys are so slow. Nice. Whoa. Kaya's turn. Kaya's turn. Okay, ready? Hands up. Here we go. Nice. All right, we picked up Crunch Mom. We are going into the store to pick up food for our video later tonight. Yeah. So we're going to be picking up things that are green. So we're going to be doing an episode of all things green. So we're going to go inside. We're going to check out and see what they have. But all we could think of right now is vegetables and fruits. I don't think there's any green meat.
The green, didn't you say
green meat?
Oh, meat?
Uh-huh.
No.
Meat.
Oh, so we're going to go inside and give it a try. Let's go find some stuff. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here, we'll get this one. This one looks good. Okay, next. What else is green? You're passing so many things that are green.
You want to eat Brussels
All right, Brussels sprouts and cabbage. Oh, we got one. Thank you.
Cucumber.
Do you want to get jalapenos for Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's green.
Yeah. Let's get one.
Okay, that's green. Mango. Oh, you're right. Mango is green on that side. Okay. Oh, that bag is green. You're right.
Also, these are.
Oh, you're right. Good job, Kaya.
Good job. There's all
Nice.
kinds of colors.
Nice. Yeah, we got one. Good job. That?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna cut the papaya.
You gonna get that one? Okay. All right, check it out. So we got home a little while ago. Crunch Mom is actually prepping all the stuff. Look at, there's green muffins.
Matcha cupcakes.
Or matcha cupcakes. And then we got the guacamole salsa. We got a bunch of different fruits and vegetables. She made a matcha Mickey for I'm not too sure what. But look we got Brussels sprouts. Those are brown. Those are green. Broccolis are green. Cucumbers green. There's a jalapeno. Jordan's in green. Eating something green.
Cucumber.
Oh, okay.
Wait, why didn't we get kiwi?
Oh, we forgot the kiwi.
Oh, yeah, you're
But
right.
you got a big old papaya.
All right, so we actually got home a while ago, but we took care of some stuff around the house. You know, did some work. But now, actually, Jordan and I have to go and film like a little TikTok. We're going to go film a little TikTok in our car.
No, Daddy, it's a commercial.
Oh, it's a commercial.
He was
Okay.
asking, like, why aren't our commercials on TV?
Oh. Okay, so going back to it, we're actually going to be filming a little quick TikTok in the car right now. A mukbang. So we're going to go do that. Make sure you guys go check out our TikTok for that. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? So she's going to do the mukbang for the Crunch Bros. Oh, these guys are just running around. Look at this. Jordan and I were going to go do a little quick TikTok in the car. And then afterwards, we're going to film the mukbang for Crunch Bros. And then we'll see you after that. All right, guys. We're going to go eat this. We're going to go do this little car mukbang. We'll be right back. All set. Look at what Crunch Mom made. Check that out. Do you guys see that? Cool. So we're actually getting ready to do our video right now. Make sure you guys go check it out at the Crunch Bros. Whoa! Check it out! You have the hiccups. All right, guys. So we finished up the mukbang. Whoa, look at Jordan. Wow, what is that?
Duskanor.
Oh,
Dusk.
cool. Let's see. There's Duskanor and
No,
there's...
that's not Duskanor.
Oh, who is that?
Duskull.
Duskull. And then there's Cloud Pokemon.
No,
and...
those are just clouds.
Oh, they're just clouds. Okay.
This is a Pokemon. This is the only Pokemon. These are clouds.
Oh, I see. I see.
This is Peter.
Peter? Peter who?
Peter the rabbit.
Oh, Peter the rabbit. Nice. Very
What does
cool.
he do?
He's smiling.
Okay. All right, guys. So that is the end of the vlog. That's the end. So that was just a typical day. Oh, you want to show them? Okay. Who's that?
Gigantic Chippy.
Who?
Chippy.
Chippy?
Jordan, who is
That's a
that?
big... What? All right, guys. So that was it for today. It was a pretty mellow day. We shot a couple of videos. We did a TikTok. We did a YouTube video. Make sure you guys go check that out on the Crunch Bros.
That was a lot today.
It was a good amount. We did some things around the house. We actually did quite a bit. But tomorrow is a new day. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, next time we'll probably see you from the happiest place on earth.
Probably. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. What's wrong? Bye-bye.
Pia, pia, pia.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll see you later.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.